Hello, I'm Dr. Peter Kurmushev, Associate Professor in Robotics at Imperial College London and Director of the Robot Intelligence Lab. If you are an undergraduate student studying design, science or engineering with a keen interest in robotics and AI, then this summer school is for you. Over 2 weeks, you will explore the intersection of robotics, artificial intelligence, and human values through an immersive, hands-on learning experience. Guided by Imperial experts, you will learn how to design, develop, and evaluate robotic systems that advance innovation while maintaining accountability, transparency, and respect for human well-being. You will learn about the cutting-edge developments in robotic hardware, software, and AI. You will understand what responsible robotics is and how to design and develop robots that address the key principles of responsibility. In the process, you will gain transferable knowledge of key design and creative thinking techniques to support your academic and professional growth. You will work on hands-on team-based projects, applying the skills learned within the Design for Responsible Robotics School. The projects will be presented to a panel of experts on the last day, with a prize awarded to the best team. By the end of the program, you will gain both technical and creative skills, combining robotics, design thinking, and policy awareness to imagine and prototype solutions that contribute positively to society. If you're interested in exploring the power of robotics and AI for the future of society, then the Design for Responsible Robotics Summer School is for you.